Hi, as a GST tax practitioner, you may be handling GST return filing for many businesses. You are always in need of methods or tools to quickly check all aspects of the data and maintain a single source of information. With release 6.1.1, Tally.ERP 9 does all this and more. The GSTR1 report in Tally.ERP 9 provides a summary of the voucher history and a condensed view of your sales value and tax amount. It also provides you with the facility to make voucher corrections. Now, additional features are provided in the report and across the product to simplify your task of preparing and filing GST returns. Some of you GST tax practitioners also have the responsibility to prepare books of accounts. How do you handle the discount given to some items? You have to calculate the discount and ensure the tax is applied after discount. You also have to judge if the discount is amount-based or percentage-based. You can do this by simply enabling an option during voucher entry. Now, isn't this a prompt solution for handling item discount? Do you know that you can get the details of all the parties with invalid GSTIN from a single screen in Tally.ERP 9? You can easily share this report that also contains contact details of the parties with your client and ask him to get the valid details. Both you and your client no longer have to go through the trouble of searching for contact details. Guess what? You can also enter the valid GSTINs for multiple parties from a single screen. At the click of a button, you can see the list of parties without a GSTIN. As computer systems are highly accurate, they can easily highlight the smallest round-off mismatch, thus adding to your task of adjusting the round-off. In Tally.ERP 9, you can define the round-off limit and ignore mismatches in the tax calculation that occur due to minor round-off differences. You can effectively reduce the number of mismatches by ignoring minor round-offs. In Tally.ERP 9, you can map the UQC to any unit of measure. Hence, if one of the simple units in a compound unit is mapped to UQC, the related stock items will automatically be linked to UQC for GST reporting. You will have a more accurate and updated HSN summary. In case you are verifying the HSN or SAC summary, you can choose to view only the codes or description of HSN or SAC by just using an option. That's not all. You can choose to exclude or include HSN summary in the returns exported. With all these options, you get much more control on HSN details in the GSTR1 returns. Release 6.1.1 also contains the changes related to the 22nd GST Council meeting. Therefore, tax liability calculation on advance receipts and reverse charge on URD purchases have been turned into user-enabled features. Businesses with turnovers above 1.5 crores can enable the calculation of tax liability for advances. And similarly, for reverse charge on URD purchases whenever it comes into effect again. If these options are disabled in Tally.ERP 9, measures have been taken to exclude relevant tax liability journal vouchers from GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3B reports. We at Tally Solutions are aware of the real-life demands of GSTR1 return filing, and thus we have facilitated the export of nil and exempt sales and the document summary to the MS Excel file. As these details have to be entered manually on the portal, you get a single source of information in the file exported from Tally.ERP 9 Release 6.1.1. There is no need to refer to any other source for these details. We have included the suggestions from GST tax practitioners in Release 6.1.1, which will certainly improve your return filing experience. The return details exported from Tally.ERP 9 Release 6.1.1 will result in the successful upload of returns. Upgrade to Release